You ready?
Yeah.
Let's do it. What are you starting with?
Rainbow sherbet.
You ready? That's first. We rolling? We good? All right.
Ooh, that's good.
You start with the sherbet.
Yeah. How was it
I
starting?
mean, you might as well get it out of the way.
Might as well.
I was most excited about it.
Ooh. Who can eat the most before they give up? I told him in the car, I think if anybody gets to 5, they're gonna lock it down. I think 4 possibly could be the number, because we're gonna be feeling it for sure in the third one.
3 will be tough.
The third one, you're gonna be feeling it. I mean, I've eaten 2 just watching TV. So.
See, this is. I would have, in my opinion, I would have taken the best one first because you're gonna enjoy the hell out of it.
Yeah. This one.
That's your favorite one, for real?
I don't know. It's pretty good so far.
I haven't tried all their flavors. Some of their flavors are actually not like they're gonna be a struggle just to eat. Period.
I haven't had any of all the ones I got.
Really?
I eat one every night. That's
worried about
before I go to bed. Trying to put on weight.
I'm worried about that one.
I've been putting in my Lean Bolt clients' meals. They're loving it. They're like, wait, we get ice cream every night? Yup.
Wow.
That's really rough.
That's,
You cashing that right now?
Yeah, cash money.
Whoa. What is it?
Money in the bank, dude.
The heck? You're gonna get a brain freeze.
Yeah. Find out, boys. Dude, there are little bites of something in here. I don't know if it's a waffle or...
It's probably a cone.
You think so? Crunchy.
Alright.
Good. Not crunchy.
Good.
I honestly, I feel like you guys are both gonna get to 5.
I only bought 5.
You only bought 5.
I didn't think I'd get to 5.
Don't plan to fail.
Sandbagging, maybe. I don't know.
Because I feel like the first 2 you're flying through, you'll have some time to like digest.
Flying.
3 will be a slower pace, but you'll be fine. 4 will be the struggle. 5 will be the. We'll see where it goes.
We did hit legs before this.
Yeah, I feel like that added a pint.
Yeah, definitely. Dude, this is my favorite flavor.
Yeah.
It's awesome.
With the speed of light.
You're gonna get sick.
Oh, you're gonna puke out your nose hole.
All kinds of holes.
Is this shit on sale?
$3.88 at Walmart.
$3.88.
Yeah, at Safeway it's $6.99.
I'm on the 4th one, dude. You better hurry up.
Are you shitting
You
me?
better hurry your ass up.
You're on the 4th one?
What do you mean it's gross?
How are you doing
How are you
that?
feeling? A little sluggish?
A little bit weird. A little. This flavor's garbage, by the way. Dude, it doesn't taste like regular pistachio. Like it literally tastes like a pistachio shell.
Like the shell? You eat the shell?
Like the burnt. Have you ever like tried to eat a pistachio and got the shell in your mouth?
Oh.
It tastes like that, dude. Like a burnt shell. Nasty, dude.
Garbage. You in trouble?
I need to chill for a second. I need to chill for like 5 minutes.
Do you want to swap with me? Or if I sit there so I can be closer?
Yeah, that's fine.
We will travel 1,000 light years. We soar to infinity. We're going at the speed of light. Bring me higher. You lift my feet up from the ground. I wish upon the shooting star that you make me lighter. And now you hit my heart with the speed of light.
Dive in.
Dude, let's go.
Nope. Feeling full. I'm feeling a little paranoid of what might happen tomorrow.
If you go 6, you're gonna have to force him to go 7. You don't want to upset your followers.
Getting ready to take a stroll over to my 6.
How's that stroll?
Not bad.
Not bad. You got 2 more?
Oh.
You do 1 more, you force him to do 7. I like that.
Alright, fuck. I'm gonna be hurt tomorrow, I bet you.
Are you in pain right now, or are you just?
Just think it's impending doom.
Is that better?
Yeah, but this is like not quenching my hunger, you know? But all it's doing is making me cold thirsty. Yeah, and cold.
You guys wanna play some hoop? I cannot believe we just played basketball.
We ate base
5 pints.
I ate 5.8 pints, then it melted when we played basketball.
And we played basketball. We called it even. We each got 6. We did play basketball, which definitely was not a good idea. But I was feeling fine. So we were playing 2K and they were like, let's play basketball in real life. And so we went and played
It
basketball.
made me real thirsty, dude. While we
No,
played
but so we each got
basketball.
6. What I was saying earlier, like when we were in the car on the way here, I was like, I think 5 is the magic number. If anyone gets to 5, they'll win. So I'm really surprised we both got 6. Oh, I normally eat one of these before I go to bed. I don't know if I'm gonna want one tomorrow, we'll see. The disgusting thing is I have a feeling that I will. I probably will. That's the end.
This is nasty. We're disgusting, dude.